Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Kernel Linux on VMware workstation. Open your favorite browser, search for kali.org, download, come to virtual machine. Here find VMware, click on download. I have already downloaded it. When you download Kernel Linux, close your browser, come to download. Here is Kernel Linux 2026.1. This file is zip. You can unzip this file with 7-zip or WinRAR. Right click, come to show more option on Windows 11. Select extract here. This step will take a few moments. Please wait. When this process finished, open your VMware workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware workstation, I have separate video for this, how to download and install VMware workstation Pro. You can find this video in the description. Here you need to open virtual machine. Click here. Find the folder you extract before. It was on download. It is here, Kernel Linux 2026.1. Open. Here find this file, Kernel Linux VM emd64.vmx. Open. Now this file is here. Come to edit virtual machine. Here you can select more RAM if you have. 4 is better. You can work smoothly. And also you can select more processor, but 4 is also enough. From network adapter, you can put your network on NAT, host only or custom. If you want to get internet from Windows, put on NAT. Come to USB. Here select USB 3. Then OK. Now the configuration is OK. You can turn on virtual machine from this button and also from this button, anyone you want. Enter username. Default username is Kali and default password is also Kali. Guys, we successfully installed Kernel Linux. Here we have one problem. We can't see the mouse. How to solve this problem? Follow the video. Power off your virtual machine. Here come to VM, come to manage, find change hardware capability. Next. Here we have virtual machine hardware capability. Select the latest version. It is 17 or 25. Next. Select alter this virtual machine. Next. Finish. Close. Again, open virtual machine or turn on your Kernel Linux. Look, Mouse is visible. Kali, also Kali. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.